What's going on, you guys? Welcome to another episode of JMB Tuning. Well, guys, in today's episode, I have a little something for you. I'm just basically unboxing a brand new sets of tools that I got here. It's a maximum retractable ratcheting wrenches, and I've been dying to have this tool for a while, given that I do have the regular ratchets here, and the funny part is I got tons of this, but it's just nice to have a ratcheting tool to aid me on any work that I do for the cars here. So yeah, I was trying to work on the Honda Pilot and trying to get the bushings out on the sway bar, and yeah, it's pretty tucked in there, and that's really hard to get the bolt out. So having a ratcheting tool will definitely aid me and help me speed up the process of doing so. So anyways, guys, stay tuned. Well, guys, finally taking the opportunity to get myself some ratcheting tools, and they're made by Maximum. I have few of these wrenches from Maximum. I've been pretty happy with them. I've had the regular ones, of course, and now I finally got the ratcheting ones. So I'm just unboxing here and show you guys, and finally get to work with my cars using some ratcheting, because sometimes it takes a while to undo a bolt, especially if you're working on underneath the car where there's barely no space to work with, and like the bushings and all, and it's fairly crunched up there underneath the car, and having a ratcheting wrench just eliminates the process of removing, putting it in, and undoing the bolt kind of thing. Here you just put the bolt in and just crank away basically in the process. So yeah, no, this is going to be an awesome addition to our ammo here. It is a 30-piece ratchets, so there's 30 items in here. Not a full complete, but complete enough compared to what I have normally anyways. So you guys can see here. .22 mil all the way down to the smallest one here, which is, I believe, 6 millimeter. I think we even have one smaller here. Let me check. We have a 7 and 6 mil. 6 is the smallest one. On the metric side, and on the SAE side, we have 5x16, the smallest one, it looks like. Oh, we even have smaller than that. 1/4 is the smallest, all the way up to 1/18. That's awesome. Anyways, guys, you'll see me using this again in action hopefully soon. I'll be working with the Honda Pilot. Yeah, guys, I'll be working with the Honda Pilot soon, and use this ratcheting tool to get at the bushings and the sway bar, to replace the bushing there in all 9 yards. So anyways, guys, I'm pretty happy with the buy here. They were on sale through Canadian Tire, and normally they're like $380, but they're on sale for $180 or so, $189 or so. So with taxes, it just came below $200, that is. So anyways, guys, stay tuned. I just want to show you guys what's going on with the Acura MDX. We are getting a bit of a clunking noise going on every time I apply the brakes. So I figured give it a look here. I tried tightening the brake bolts there because I just did a service there recently, as you guys have seen previously when I did the new rotor over the summertime. I just want to make sure nothing has backed up on us in the process. And basically here it looking okay. As you guys can see, I would like to show you the effect of the fluid film. As you guys can see, it's nice. No major rusting, as you guys can see. Looking nice. So it did its job basically here, guys. Next summer or next fall, we'll probably try to do a bit of the spraying inside the actual chassis and all that. We'll have to get the sprayer extensions there to actually spray inside those to kind of solidify pretty much, you know, inside of the car as well in the process there, so it doesn't rust at all. So anyways, that's how it looks like. It's looking really nice. As you guys can see, I'm pretty happy with what I did on the fluid film coverage there. It's definitely coating everything here from the salt and grinds over the winter. Yeah, pretty happy, guys. Can't complain. Well, thanks again, guys, for watching the short vlog. Anyways, guys, I'll be doing a bit of review on these tools and how well they're actually gonna hold up for me here long term. And yeah, if you guys are wondering how well this tool is going to be, I'll be giving you an update in this regard. Anyways, guys, stay tuned for some of the work on the cars, and as well I'll be working on the Pilot, as I said, and I'll give you guys an update then on how well this tool works with dealing with the issues on the car. So anyways, guys, stay tuned.
Untold stories, they were left behind. Silent breeze, I got nothing on my mind. This madness is insane. Why are you still living?